At USG, we have everything you need to take a room to new heights. Our USG ceiling solutions offer a wide range of options that help you effortlessly create high-performance, beautiful spaces from simple white planes to bold design elements. And they're backed by the performance you expect from USG, along with our dedicated service and support. I'm Rob Gross, and I have Mark Kemmerling here with me to walk you through a few important considerations before getting started.
Thanks, Rob. So today, we're talking about ceiling installations and edge profiles. First, you'll need to determine if you're building a suspended ceiling or a direct mount ceiling. USG offers two installation types to match. The first type installs in a grid system, which is hung below an existing ceiling. This is perfect for leveling uneven ceilings or allowing easy access to utilities, such as wiring or pipes. They're available in 2x2 and 2x4 sizes. The second type installs directly to a ceiling surface. It offers the ability to change the look of your room without sacrificing ceiling height. This type is available in 12-inch by 12-inch tiles.
So what about edge profiles? We offer various options depending on the ceiling installation type and the aesthetic you're looking for. With a grid system, you have the option of a flat look with our square edge panels, or it can have an elegant step pattern with our shadow line tapered edge. Once you've determined the installation and edge style, it's time to select panels. And USG has a wide variety of panel types to match your needs. Whether you're enhancing the aesthetics of a high-performance commercial space or finishing out a basement, USG offers everything you need to reach new heights. Thanks for watching.